The Italian Comber company, part of HEINKEL Drying Separation Group, is presenting on this exhibition a filter bottom of a Presso Filter 1000 in a sterilizable way. So this is the filter bottom, the filter plate, and heatable agitator. Usually it is used in pharmaceutical API manufacturing, and in this setup even sterilizable.
What you can see here is possibly the smallest little drying and mixing unit of the world. A complete turnkey system, easy and compact to be installed in a foam hood for testing and research and development of new products. A complete system with a core unit of a conical orbit arm dryer with a dust filter on top for separation of the dust, a little sampler with an outlet valve, a heating system for heating of that unit, a vacuum pump to create the vacuum, and a little condensing system to recollect the solvents. And mostly this is used for research and development with new products. A very gentle way of mixing, where we have the opportunity to also install another agitator like a Helix central shaft dryer. But this one with the orbit arm is the most gentle way of moving and agitating the products for drying, which certainly can take 1 or 2 hours. I will demonstrate. And now you can see how gently the screw lifts the lower brown material to the top, where it already starts to get blended and homogenized in a very gentle and soft way. And within minutes you can see that you have uniformed and homogenized all the batch product. Thank you.
With this demonstration unit, Yongia mixing technology is demonstrating 3 kinds of technology or processes, in which this is dispersing solids into a liquid, this is dissolving liquid or particles in a liquid, and this is an inline mixing unit which can be put into a process.